The Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven is the perfect kitchen companion for those looking to enjoy healthier meals with minimal effort. As one of the best digital air fryers on the market, it offers a wide array of features designed to meet the needs of a modern, health-conscious family. With its generous 12-quart capacity, this multifunctional air fryer can handle large meals, making it ideal for family-sized portions. It comes with a digital timer, a sleek touchscreen interface, and 12 presets that allow for effortless cooking of your favorite dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables and even baked goods. When exploring multifunctional air fryer reviews, the Chefman 12-quart model consistently ranks as a top-rated digital air fryer due to its versatility and convenience. The 6-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, bake, roast, and more, eliminating the need for multiple kitchen appliances. For those looking to buy a multifunctional air fryer, this model is an excellent investment. Its ability to serve as a digital air fryer with multiple cooking functions makes it a top contender in any digital air fryer comparison. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, adding to customer satisfaction. Whether you're searching for the best air fryer for healthy cooking or are keeping an eye out for multifunctional air fryer deals, the Chefman 12-quart is a standout choice. It's available as a digital air fryer for sale and offers exceptional value with its combination of functionality and ease of use. With its multifunctional air fryer with presets, preparing diverse meals becomes simpler, allowing you to cook with precision and efficiency. The Chefman ExactTemp 12-quart 5-in-1 air fryer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to elevate your cooking experience. Known as one of the best digital air fryers available, it offers a large 12-quart capacity and 5 cooking functions, including air frying, rotisserie, dehydrating, baking, and XL convection cooking. What sets this model apart is its integrated smart cooking thermometer, which ensures perfect cooking temperatures, making it easy to prepare a variety of dishes with precision. The 28 touchscreen presets add convenience, allowing you to cook everything from crispy chicken to perfectly baked cookies with just a touch. When looking through multifunctional air fryer reviews, the Chefman ExactTemp consistently ranks as a top-rated digital air fryer for its advanced features and ease of use. If you're looking to buy a multifunctional air fryer, this model's smart technology, combined with its versatility, makes it a standout choice. With multiple cooking functions, this air fryer serves as an all-in-one appliance, reducing the need for separate devices like dehydrators or convection ovens. Whether you're comparing models for the best air fryer for healthy cooking or exploring the best digital air fryer for sale, the Chefman ExactTemp offers unmatched value. Its combination of smart features and user-friendly design makes it one of the most sought-after multifunctional air fryer deals. Whether you're focused on finding a multifunctional air fryer with presets or a model with built-in safety features like auto shutoff, this air fryer provides all that and more. If you're making a digital air fryer comparison, this appliance is hard to beat, offering the perfect balance of technology, capacity, and efficiency for health-conscious cooking. The Val Cucina retro-style infrared heating air fryer is a stylish and versatile kitchen appliance that combines modern functionality with a charming retro design. With its extra-large countertop size and 10-in-1 combo functionality, this air fryer can handle everything from air frying to baking, toasting, and more. This model stands out in multifunctional air fryer reviews for its powerful infrared heating technology, which ensures even cooking and reduces the need for added oils, making it one of the best air fryers for healthy cooking. The spacious interior can accommodate up to 6 slices of toast or larger meals, making it perfect for families or gatherings. When comparing top-rated digital air fryers, the Val Cucina excels in both performance and design. Its user-friendly controls and included enamel baking pan make cooking and cleaning a breeze, while the retro almond yellow color adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. For those looking to buy a multifunctional air fryer, this model offers excellent value with its multiple cooking functions. Whether you're roasting, baking, or air frying, this appliance covers it all. It's one of the best options for those seeking a digital air fryer with presets, as it simplifies cooking with its intuitive settings. For customers comparing models in the digital air fryer for sale category, the Val Cucina offers a combination of quality and aesthetics that's hard to beat. It's frequently featured in multifunctional air fryer deals, making it an appealing option for those on the lookout for a stylish yet highly functional kitchen appliance. If you're conducting a digital air fryer comparison, the Val Cucina stands out for its unique infrared heating and ease of cleaning, which guarantees customer satisfaction every time. The Impava 30-inch electric single-wall oven air fryer combo is a premium kitchen appliance designed for those who value versatility, performance, and style. With its 10 cooking functions including air frying, convection baking, broiling, and more, this built-in oven serves as one of the best digital air fryers for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. The convection fan ensures even heat distribution, while the LED digital display and touch controls make it easy to select your desired settings. The stainless steel finish adds a modern and sleek aesthetic to any kitchen, making it both functional and stylish. In multifunctional air fryer reviews, the Impava 30-inch model consistently stands out as a top-rated digital air fryer due to its seamless integration of an air fryer and oven in one. It's an ideal option for those who want to buy a multifunctional air fryer that offers a variety of cooking options without needing separate appliances. Its multiple cooking functions allow you to air fry healthier meals, roast, bake, and more, all in one space-saving design. For those comparing digital air fryers for sale, the Impava's durability, energy efficiency, and range of cooking presets make it a top contender in any digital air fryer comparison. Whether you're looking for the best air fryer for healthy cooking or searching for multifunctional air fryer deals, this combo unit delivers in all aspects. The built-in design not only saves counter space, but also enhances the cooking experience with its multifunctional air fryer with presets, allowing for precise cooking with minimal effort. If you're aiming for a comprehensive cooking solution that blends advanced technology with convenience, the Impava 30-inch electric wall oven air fryer combo is a perfect choice for long-term satisfaction. The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is a versatile and space-saving appliance that brings 8-in-1 functionality to your kitchen. Known as one of the best digital air fryers, it allows you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and more, all in one compact design. One of its standout features is the innovative flip-up and away capability, which makes it easy to store vertically, freeing up valuable countertop space when not in use. With accessories like the fry basket, wire rack, and crumb tray, it offers convenience and efficiency for all your cooking needs. In multifunctional air fryer reviews, the Ninja SP101 is frequently praised as a top-rated digital air fryer for its powerful cooking performance and ease of use. The 8-in-1 functionality provides multiple cooking functions, making it ideal for those looking to buy a multifunctional air fryer that can handle a variety of meals, from crispy fries to baked goods. Its ability to deliver crisp, evenly cooked results with minimal oil makes it the best air fryer for healthy cooking for health-conscious individuals. For anyone searching for a digital air fryer for sale, this model offers excellent value with its compact design and versatile cooking options. Additionally, the Ninja SP101 is a favorite in digital air fryer comparisons due to its unique combination of functionality and storage capability. It's often featured in multifunctional air fryer deals, offering high-end features at an affordable price. With the multifunctional air fryer with presets, you can easily select the perfect cooking mode for any dish, ensuring perfect results every time. For those seeking convenience, versatility, and space-saving design, the Ninja SP101 is a fantastic option that guarantees customer satisfaction.